this video, we're going to show you how to provide your sample using your at-home saliva collection kit. But before we begin, it's important to ensure that it's been at least 30 minutes since you last ate, drank, smoked, or chewed gum. If it hasn't, pause the video and wait until 30 minutes have passed to avoid the risk of having your sample fail and needing a replacement kit. And if now isn't a good time, you can also try again later. For example, you can leave your kit by your nightstand and collect your sample first thing in the morning before brushing your teeth. Now let's go over the steps to providing your saliva sample. So in your kit, you'll find the user instructions, which we're going over right now, an adhesive label, a specimen bag, a prepaid, pre-addressed return mailer, and the actual saliva collection device. Start by removing the saliva collection tube, which has this funnel already attached to it. Although you don't need it right this second, it will make things easier if you also take this blue cap and just set it aside. Now, you'll want to spit into this tube until the liquid part of your saliva, not the bubbles, reaches this black fill line. It's okay if this ends up taking a few minutes. On this flap here, we list a few tips in case you're struggling to produce enough saliva, like thinking of your favorite food or something sour. Two more things that are worth mentioning. First, try to make sure you don't fill the tube way past the black fill line. As you'll see in just a moment, there's also liquid in the funnel lid that'll be poured in when the lid is closed, and we want there to be enough room for it. Second, just some reassurance that saliva that's cloudy, slightly bloody, or otherwise discolored is not a cause for concern, and you being sick while providing the sample will not cause your sample to fail either. Once you've filled the tube, close the funnel lid by pressing it down firmly until you hear a loud click. This releases the stabilizing liquid from the lid into the tube, mixing it with your saliva. Next, unscrew the funnel from the tube and screw on the blue cap. After that, shake the tube for 5 seconds to mix everything thoroughly. You can now discard or recycle the funnel. Now that your sample is ready, it's time to label it. Take the label provided in the kit and fill it out with your collection date, date of birth, and your first and last name. Then, peel the label and stick it onto the tube. There's a barcode on the tube here, but don't worry about covering it. The only thing that matters is the barcode on this label itself. Once the tube is labeled, place it in the specimen bag and seal the bag completely. Inside the bag, there's a small absorbent pad to absorb any potential spills. You don't need to remove or worry about it, just make sure the bag is sealed properly. There's also this tear here mark on the bag. This is for the lab technicians, so no need to worry about that either. Next, place the sealed specimen bag into the collection box. Make sure that the only thing going inside the collection box is the specimen bag with your tube. To close the box, peel the sticker from the tape on the inside flap and then fold and secure the box. Now, place the closed box into the prepaid, pre-addressed return mailer and seal it. Once sealed, you're ready to drop it off. You can drop the mailer off at any USPS mailbox, post office, or hand it directly to your mail carrier. And that's it. You've successfully completed the sample collection process.